Doon pa rin. Kita naman natin first 4 points para sa Mapua.
Mapua, last year, Mikey was number 3 in points per game. Sep Arellano.
Well, of course, alam naman natin si Ken Salado, one of the best in stealing that basketball.
What a side step there! Tama no? Parang University at Mapua University. Kayo po'y nakatutok sa NCAA Season 93. Hashtag NCAA Strong. We are back.
Ken Salado, 3 points pa lang ng first quarter. Pero ginagawa niya ang kanyang role, ang bagong role niya dito.
Balik ni Salado ang bola. Salado. Padilla. Tabla when the score was 31 all. Salado. The pull up by Kentoy.
Sa dito, kakatwis lang sa akin, Coach Alan Gregorio.
Oh! Dati naalala ko, tinawag niya akong weird on air. Babawian kita ngayon, Coach AG. As Ken Salado knocks it down from the perimeter. And si Kentoy between Elias supporting their son. Cedric Palayo, 23 years of age, taking a Bachelor of Physical Education.
Hence, a little bit more bago magkakumpiyansa sa labas ito si Ken Salado.
Here's Salado. 0 to 60 and then the drop off. What a move! 51 to 50. Here's Salado again and then going to Brian Mecca. What a drop back there.
Yun ang mga ginagawa ngayon.
Mecca, back the other way we go. Para sa mga naka-asul na Arellano University Chiefs. Salado. The crossover, the jumper is good. Evelyn Victoria. Salado now with the basketball. Baka sa Arellano Yul, nakahanap ng uwa. Tumuloy-tuloy ang konduktor na si Ken. Babalik ni Salado with a fresh 14 sa kanilang shot clock. Salado again. Oy,
Wow.
what a move, Ken Salado. University. Lawrence Victoria now has 20 markers. Ubo ng Bulacan to Raf Flores and then this man, Kentoy Salado, went to work. Para sa 3 to shoot, has to fire. Salado. Masyadong malalim. Nakita si Enriquez! Given to him by Coach Jerry Codiniera na bitawan ni Lorvin Flores. Here's Salado with 2 to shoot. And Salado, ilista mo na! Baka sa Arellano University.
Malas na itong si Andoy Estrella, pero sa kabila naman, marami talagang tumutulong para sa Arellano.
Salado,
Hey!
the dagger! Kentoy Salado is now the new main man for the Arellano